Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Vamshi and in today's video we have an exciting topic to cover. We will be learning Xpath in just 5 minutes. Xpath is a powerful language used to navigate and extract data from XML docs and HTML web pages. It is an essential skill for automation testing. So let's dive right in. To write a basic XPath for an input field like this, you need to right click and click inspect, and in DevTools you can hit Control F. So XPath starts with a double slash and the tag name here is input. There are 6 input fields here in this page, and the name of I'm using name attribute here. The name attribute value is Q. So in this way I'm able to identify an object. Similarly, if you want to add more attributes here, you can always enter more attributes here by giving @type equal to text. You can also put and or conditions. For that, you can remove these two brackets and put and. So this will also check if two conditions are met or not. Here, if you want to check only one condition, you can put it as or. Okay, and if you want to write for the login button, I'm going back here, and here I want to use this text field. For using the text field, what I need to do is double slash a and text equal to login. So this identifies the login button uniquely. And let's assume you don't know the complete word here. Then what we can do is we can put it as contains text comma login. So in this way, let's you're trying to match only login. Then in this way you can put it as contains text login. If you want to go one level up to this particular div, then just enter slash dot dot. If you want to go one more level up, then dot slash dot dot. Similarly, if you want to go to the parent, for that you have a parent keyword. So enter parent here, then the class. So to which one you want to go, div. So you can directly go to this particular div. This is the parent of the particular object. Okay, now you want to go to this particular object using this particular method. So this particular object, then you need to enter ancestor. You can use ancestor, and you can always give the class equal to identify it properly. So this is the login object, and I've traversed to the ancestor div, this particular object. This is one way of going to the ancestor or parent. If I want to go from parent to child, then we can always use the same example. Okay, so div @class is object, and we can give here child. In this way, we can traverse through div to the child. That wraps up our crash course on XPath in just 5 minutes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.